Hi, this video will go over the English 5-6 week 14 vocabulary. Compassion, engross, justify, void, sensory. Compassion. Compassion is a noun, person, place, or thing, and it means concern for the sufferings or misfortunes of others. So it's when we are talking about feeling concerned over how other people might be experiencing something. So the adjective form is compassionate. The compassion in Linda's voice comforted her skittish dog during the violent thunderstorm. So we often show compassion by doing something kind for others or trying to understand what someone else is going through. Synonyms: benevolence, empathy. Antonyms: animosity, cruelty. Compassion. The next word is engross. It's a verb, it's an action word, and it means absorb all the attention and interest of. So when we are fully captivated or enthralled or interested in what we are watching. The movie, with its slow plot, and dry dialogue, failed to engross Mia until Timothy Chalamet appeared on screen. Synonyms: captivate, enthrall. Antonyms: bore or disenchant. Engross. The next word is justify. Justify is a verb, an action word. It means show or prove to be right or reasonable. Be a good reason for. So you might want to justify why you deserve an A in this class if you need to argue with your teacher about your grade. You might need to justify your opinion by using evidence. The noun form is justification. Adjective: justifiable. Zoe justified her tardiness to school by claiming that the Dutch Bros line was too long, and she simply could not attend first period uncaffeinated. Synonyms: advocate or condone. Antonyms: condemn, disapprove. Justify. Void. Void is a noun. It means completely empty space. So it's a thing in which there's just this giant gap or vacuum. Antonym: fullness. Mia's realization that she could probably never marry Timothy Chalamet left a bleak void in her heart for days. So like a deep void or space. On its way to Mars, the spaceship navigated the dark void between the planets, meaning the dark, empty space. Void. Sensory. Sensory is an adjective. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. It means of or relating to the physical senses, transmitted or perceived by the senses. So take a look at the sentence. The concert's deafening music, flashing lights, and rowdy crowd gave Karen a sensory overload. So too much senses. So just over too many senses. So she left a strongly worded review of the band on Yelp. Synonyms: tactile or audio visual. Sensory. And that wraps up week 14 of vocabulary.